I am that I am, the unseen that dwells within, and the sin that walks without. I am the ill mind, best hype man alive. In a world full of noise, the loudest voice often gets the most attention. But attention is not the same as wisdom. The loudest voice speaks to be heard. The wisest voice speaks when there is something to say. Noise is easy. Depth is rare. Many speak quickly. Few understand deeply. Because wisdom does not rush. It observes. It listens. It reflects. Our ancestors knew this truth, that silence is not emptiness, it is preparation. Today, the world rewards volume, not always truth. So the loudest voice rise, not because they are right, but because they are heard. But wisdom does not compete with noise. It stands quietly, waiting for those who are ready to listen. So ask yourself, do you follow what is loud or what is true? Because the deepest truths in life are rarely shouted. They are discovered in stillness.